Hi there, Serge Canaday of Vo2max Productions here, and Sandy and I made it out to Courmayeur, Italy, I believe it's pronounced. Can't speak Italian either, can't speak any language but English, it's pretty lame. Took 3 years of high school Spanish, but don't remember any of it. My pronunciation is atrocious, but I'm trying to learn les ouches, les contamines, and let's see, San Servas, I believe, are some of the cities I've learned so far. Correct me if I'm wrong in the pronunciation. I'm probably still pronouncing them wrong. But we're in Courmayeur. Beautiful view. I'm out for an evening double run. Easy evening double run. But tomorrow, which you'll see in this video, hopefully, I'm going to go out from Courmayeur, run the course kind of backwards towards the France border, and then come back. And it's going to be a really long day, all day on my feet. I got my trekking poles maybe here, experimenting around. They feel pretty good so far, Black Diamond. But yeah, it's training's going well. I don't want to overtrain, definitely need a big taper, but it's hard to fathom the amount of vertical on this course. I mean, you're talking about, I try to break it down into like 3 times speed goat. Just do speed goat 3 times. It's about that vertical, a little bit more distance, so it's 108, 107 miles. About with 33 to 34,000 feet of climbing. I haven't done a 100-mile training week with that much climbing in it ever, and I probably won't. And I'm gonna try to do it in one day. It's gonna be crazy. I don't know how you prepare for this, something like this, but we'll see. We'll do a long run tomorrow. Hopefully, it won't be too cloudy, and we'll get some good views. So, thanks for following along. Here we go. The bar, fun park, that's important. So today is August 11th, 2015, and we're gonna do a long run. We're just outside of Courmayeur. I'm not sure if you could see it. Beautiful mountain town. Here in Italy, it's about the 50-mile mark, halfway point, kind of halfway on the course. I'm gonna run backwards on the course, hopefully, on the TMB hiking trail, which is most of the UTMB course. It also follows this Tour de Mont-Blanc hiking trail that a lot of people do, but it also splits off and there's a lot of variations, which is really confusing. And Sandy and I hiked up from town and I got lost again.
Took us 40 minutes to find the trail.
Took us 40 minutes to find the trail, so I'm getting a late start, about 10 a.m. here. But go over, try to meet Nico. He's coming from Les Contamines, which is 30 miles away, so we'll see if I can go out 15 miles and back, make it a 30-mile day. So I'm not even 2 miles in. I already feel like I've gained a couple thousand feet of vertical. It's easy to do on these trails. Gain 1,000 feet a mile, easy. But coming out of town, coming up on some sort of ski lodge thing here. Looks like it's a beautiful trail. Could be a long day. It's getting hot, but it's gorgeous. I love it. See if I could get myself some Coke and a bottle of Pellegrino. water because I'm out of water. Beautiful day in the mountains. Again, it's going to be about a 33-mile day probably here if I don't get lost on the way back, but actually it's going to be 34 miles. Let's get real. We'll see what the Strava data says for the vertical. Probably going to be a lot, but you know, hope your summer racing and training is going well. Thanks for tuning into this series. Again, got us some more training talks and product reviews with these bad boys on the way. But thanks for subscribing, thanks for sharing this on social media. If you want to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, I'm at Sage Canaday. Again, thanks for all the supportive comments. I'm sorry I can't comment all of them. Internet connections here have been a little bit slow, so we'll see when I upload this YouTube video. But thanks again for following along. I really do appreciate all the support, and hope your training and your running's going well and you're enjoying some trails or pavement or the track or whatever. Any surface, any distance. It's a new hashtag. So thanks again, guys. Really do appreciate it. And stay tuned for more Vo2max Productions. Coming back into town. Almost 34 miles there. It's actually nice and warm and sunny today, so I got a bit dehydrated, but we'll see what the vertical is. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. See you guys.